Question number 10. What is the main idea of the selection? So when we're finding main idea, we're thinking, what is it mostly about? And in nonfiction, we have to take into consideration all of the facts that the author gave us to figure out what is it mostly about. And a process of elimination will help us. So A says archaeologists consider Chaco Canyon one of the most amazing cities of its time. B, the ruins of Chaco Canyon are protected in the Chaco Culture National Historic Park. C, many different people go excavating or digging in Chaco Canyon. Or D, archaeologists do not understand all of the reasons behind the Chaco phenomenon. Now, A, B, C, and D were all mentioned in the passage. Okay, they're all true facts. This is not asking us which of the following is a true fact. This is asking us, what is this entire passage mostly about? Okay, so something I can get rid of is that many different people go excavating or digging in Chaco Canyon. That is true, but this entire passage is not about digging in Chaco Canyon. So if I go back and I look, the title always helps me. So the title is Chaco Canyon. Then here it says, one of the most interesting archaeological sites in the southwestern United States is Chaco Canyon, New Mexico. So there it's saying it's one of the most interesting. Let's see if we can find, any other places where it says that. It says it right here. It says there are other reasons archaeologists consider Chaco Canyon one of the most amazing cities of its time, and it goes on to list more reasons. So there it is again, telling us that it's one of the most amazing cities. So they're basically, this passage was teaching us that the Chaco Canyon is a really amazing and interesting site. Every single paragraph gave me facts about why it is such an interesting place, right? It was one of the first largest cities ever built. They built all of these buildings right here in this paragraph, paragraph 3. They built all of these buildings without any modern tools, right? They did it all by hand, these really huge buildings. That's also makes it interesting. Another thing, like it says over here, that makes it interesting is they're one of the first people that started to store food and have like an actual food storage. And they are some of the first people who actually had roads that connected them to other communities and an irrigation system for water. So they did all kinds of things that really made it one of the most amazing cities of its time, because during that time it had things that other cities did not have. That's why the main idea is A.